we're going to talk about toolpath properties. Not many people or new users know about the properties that you can adjust for any given toolpath. If you look on the left here, just right click on any operation in your machining job, you'll get a menu and you'll have a number of things you can do. If you look at, it has a properties option. If you pick that, you'll see this dialog right here on the top in the middle. That is your machining operation properties. You can do a number of things in here that you may not be aware of. If you want to output comments anytime that operation is posted to your G code, let's say you want some operator notes or whatever, on a particular operation, you can put those notes in here within brackets or parentheses, and it'll output that. I'll show you how to do that. And then you can also assign a color. This is important if you got a lot of different toolpaths and you want to distinguish one simulation path to another. You can assign each operation to a specific color.
One other note, Don, on the comments to output, it doesn't necessarily mean you just have to output comments. We've actually added G-code output there as well.
Yeah.
I believe if you wrap it with a % sign, it'll be output as G-code, is not as a comment. So you can actually set up some specific G-code that you want to output for a particular machining operation here if you want it.
And then also it's got some just some properties information at the bottom. Previously output your file name. That's good if you're running a lot of toolpath and you're archiving your G code. This will tell you what file name was used and when it was last posted. So that's some good information for you. Now, regarding to the simulation color, you can set your color, but you have to go in on the simulation tab and set this menu here to mop. Otherwise, it'll just use the default colors that are defined in the CAM preferences. So in order to get these different colors when you simulate, as you can see over here, you have to set this to mop. And then over on the right, we see it's just a sample G code with some comments outputted.